Dear friends, if you're looking for a 4000 industrial microscope camera set, this one is well worth a try. It is equipped with a Sony IMX678 chip, supports connection to monitors, TVs and computers, and features remote control, photo capture, video recording, measurement, storage and more. You may be wondering what the actual difference is between different microscope chips. Next, we'll compare the microscope camera with the Sony IMX678 chip against the one with the Sony IMX415 chip. Both use a 150x lens, and the stand and LED lights are exactly the same. As you can see, under the same distance and with the same accessories, the microscope kit with the Sony IMX678 chip produces more vibrant colors and a wider field of view, and the one with the Sony IMX415 chip. This Sony IMX678 chip microscope camera also features built-in electronic zoom for magnification. When used on a monitor, you can also zoom in with the remote control. The following two videos mainly demonstrate the software-driven measurement functions of the Sony IMX678 chip microscope camera. It supports adding annotations such as lines, rectangles, circles, polygons, and more. Measurement data is independent of the original image and will not damage any pixel information. It supports unit switching between millimeters, centimeters, and micrometers, with quick calibration via objective lens magnification to meet your daily observation and size estimation needs. The software allows single or multiple image saving, batch export, and image comparison, making experiment recording and result sorting much easier. It also has a built-in multi-language interface, so you can easily find and use the functions you need. Finally, let's talk about our after-sales policy. We provide a 1-year warranty. If you run into any problems, please contact our customer service first. We will take good care of every customer. If we don't reply immediately, it means we're resting or away from the computer. Feel free to leave a message. In fact, I am the customer service and also the store operator. Thank you for your support of Electrical Instruments Tool Store.